She's the big day here. Thinking day one of wheat harvest is gonna happen today, I think. But we're dropping the oil out of one of the semis here. Dropped it on Friday, so we'll fill it up today. We got Spice Master doing yard CEO stuff. We got a bunch of rain on the weekend, so yard got a bit tore up, but got a few minutes here to do some cosmetic stuff, I guess. But if you look up there, that pipe ain't supposed to be facing forward, so spend 5 minutes and spin it around, I guess. Do a little bit of lipstick and makeup kind of stuff here this morning, I guess. Bada boom, bada bang. Don't that just look sexy now? That was pretty easy. Just had to stand on the roof for a bit. But looks like Nathan, he's out desiccating some wheat, just putting a big hot load on. Getting a fresh load of water with the old water truck. She comes custom with 360 air. She's on max blast right now. She's on full speed, and a little spotty radio. It's a pretty decked out rig. No, it's this old girl, she don't get very many days off. She goes right from springtime to the very end of the year. It's one thing you don't lots don't really realize, I think, is just that sprayer's running during seeding time. It's actually running before seeding time, and then all through harvest, sprayer's running full bore too. So she the water truck and the sprayer, they don't get days off. They're busy. Made her to the field with the old girl. We got a bit of a usually back down there, but she's a bit muddy. I don't know if you can see Nathan ripping out there. Oh, the rest of the entourage is just showing up here now. Back her in, Daryl. A little bit of roundup. You're gonna have to move it all probably anyways. Spicy!
What's going on?
Get that yard dragged?
No, I'm not. Still got like an hour's worth of work left.
You're kidding. What have you been doing?
Hanging out, man.
Just dogging it, I guess. Today's the day the wheat goes through the machines, but I'm gonna go hook the triple up right here to the coulter, and I think somebody's going to be disking the pea ground that we've done. Just chop it up, try and keep ahead of things so that when fall comes we aren't working until the snow flies. Guess I'll come and drop the pin in for Daryl here. Thinking we're just hooking it up in case somebody's got a spare minute. They can go and disc a little bit of pea ground right around the yard here. Go ahead! Back! That was a little quick. All hooked up. So then Braden dropped the pin in. and we're gonna pull ahead. That was smooth. He's riding along. He's coming for a little putt-putt. Anyways, we're gonna tow her up in front of the shop and do a little maintenance to her. Maintenance on the cultivator. Braden's, what are you doing, B?
Gonna see how much oil's left in the old hubs here on the discs.
Okay. You gonna check every single one?
No, I'm gonna check about 5.
Check 5. Average, yeah, that's a good idea. And I'm putting air in slowly. Had to get a different chuck. And Spicy is playing with lube. How's that going?
Not bad.
Not bad? Good to hear, good to hear. Well, now we got the cultivator all done, setting the auger up. Couple highway workers here.
Government work.
Got Spicy lining her up here, but straight. Keep coming. Good.
Well, here's the first bit of wheat for the year.
It looks like what they're doing then is they're opening up the sieves more and blowing more air.
There she is.
Closing the sieves and less air.
Guess we'll see here right away what we're looking at, if she's a little chewy or what. Looks like some dust flying anyway.
Yeah,
So.
that damn concave.
Well, we're rolling. Wheat harvest 2024 has officially started. The Spicy putting a big load on. And beautiful wheat. That's how much more a guy can ask for. But nice. Boys are going up and down. We're chopping away. Go check in, we're gonna go check in with Spicy. See how he's doing here. Hopefully he's doing good. How you making out?
Alright.
How's
You?
the first load go?
All these guys don't know what they're doing out here.
Still don't, eh?
No.
Combine a bunch of peas and these guys still can't figure it out. Put a nice caterpillar on me.
It's enough to drive a guy crazy.
Yeah. Well, you're the boss out here.
Yeah.
You can screw their whole day if you want.
I could just sit here.
Marinate.
Yeah.
Spicy! Where are we at, man? Full right to the titters. Full. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't see a grain cart anywhere near. Look at this. Just a dirt storm coming in. This looks like the Tasmanian devil rolling in. Guess I better get back in my glass house here and get things fired up. Get ready for Old Spicy, otherwise he's gonna be I'll be on the hot seat. Good day, kind sir. Welcome back, Kobe.
Well, this is load number 4. Things are coming smooth. Best thing ever. One man show dumping and mom's off making supper. Just drive over it, let her eat. So shout out to Soaring Eagle for making such a time saver.